Hi you guys, I'm back. If you're new here, my name is Danny Monique, and as you see by today's title, I am going to be showing you guys how to make this cute ass thumbnail of Gorilla. Gorilla came to my city not too long ago, and she had on this cute bomb ass outfit, so your girl is going to be making a thumbnail of her. So let's get started. Doing the thumbnail is super easy. I'm just gonna go to PicArt. That is the go-to app for me, and it is so easy to use. And then now I'm just going to push on this plus sign so that I can get my background. If you want to have like a specific background or something in that matter, you may have to download it off Google, but for this one I'm just going to do a black crop picture, which is 16:9, because that's YouTube thumbnail dimension that you will need. Okay, so it's just all about having a vision of what you want. And so now I'm going to click on the search button so that I can pick another background, which I just put in cute blue backgrounds because she had on blue, so I just wanted something cute for the background. And y'all, literally it takes me a minute or two to do thumbnails, so please do not be discouraged. Just give it a try. It's so easy, like so easy, like so I'm gonna go ahead and pick this one with the Vogue on it. I don't know why I chose that one, but I just thought it was cute, and I don't know, I guess it had a little bit of sparkle to it. So I just clicked on it, so that downloaded, and I figured I'll just turn it to the side versus it being up and down. And I'm just sizing it so that we can see the Vogue and keep it just, you know, in that same dynamic, so that it be the dimension of 16:19. Now I'm going to go to the add a photo on the bottom of the screen. Everything you need is going to be on the bottom of the screen so that I can go through my galaxy and go ahead and pick the pictures, the 3 pictures that I got off of her Instagram. Girl, she looked so cute. Like, I would definitely wear something like that. And I just go ahead and crop her out a little bit right before I remove the background. Now I have the paid PicArt, so yeah, you may not be able to do that. You may have to do the cutout, which is just as good, really, truthfully. And I'm just doing it to all 3 of these pictures, and yeah, it's so easy, and placing it where I want to go. Like, we halfway done right now. Like, we're literally halfway done right now. Like, this is so easy, and I love that they kept the back picture in there as well. Like, it just give it a little bit more style. So now I am going to I wanted to find a cute frame to go over it some type of way so it could just have a unique look, but that did not work out, as you guys gonna see. So I decided to get some blue butterflies or whatnot and put it like in front of her. See, like, yeah, that's a no-go. That was a no-go right there, right? That not a good idea. So I end up taking that off. So here I am searching for the blue butterflies, and those were so darn cute. Yeah, my best friend wanted to text me while I'm making a video. Hey girl. And now I'm gonna say get ready with me, and I put it in the white because I just love that aesthetic that I got going on. And I also put Gorilla Concert because it says get ready with me to go to Gorilla Concert. They have plenty fonts, but you also can, I believe, use another app, a font app or whatnot, but I've never done that. I like the font that they have, so I never did do all of that. But I decided to change the Gorilla Concert to another font, so you know, just make it look all cute. And I was just trying to figure out that I wanted to be blue and white and blue and this and that, but yeah. So I had wanted to do that look where they have the recording little symbol, y'all go see it in just a second, in front of her. But I don't like how that comes out, so of course, so see that little sign right there, you know, the little record sign, that's one right there. But I didn't like how that looks, so I ended up removing that to get a blue frame to just put around the perimeter of the whole entire thumbnail. Okay, so if you have gotten this far, please do not leave without liking my ish and subscribing. All right. Okay, and like I said, I'm just gonna go ahead and get that blue frame so that I could put it around the perimeter of the whole entire thumbnail, just to get the, you know, keep the aesthetics going. And I think everything came out so cute. Now tell me that ain't easy to do, okay? It's so easy to do, and you know, like, y'all tell me below, tell me how I done, and I'm just gonna show y'all how to save it, so then you can have it in your phone, so that you can put it on your YouTube video. To save this thumbnail, you will have to check at the very top of the screen, and then also push the arrow. Then you push save, and then you push save again, and there you guys have it. If you have got this far, please do not leave without liking my ish, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.